What's the most transformative way of goal setting? Today, we're going through a proven and tested, evidence-based 6-step goal setting framework to help you out for success and whatever your goals are. It's January. It's never too late to set up new goals or update our existing ones. So the way that we set and pursue those goals can actually have a huge impact on whether or not we can achieve them. And some goal setting practices can actually be harmful rather than helpful to our success. Do you ever feel like the smallest shift in your goals could actually lead to an entirely different outcome? For example, a pilot adjusting the trajectory of a plane. Like in our lives, our aims and systems shape the course of our lives and can change our destination. It's the start of the year, and the art of effective goal setting isn't just a crucial aspect of our personal and professional development, it's life defining. As they say, failing to plan is ultimately planning to fail. So join me on this transformative journey. I'll first explain the evidence-based goal setting framework, and later on I'll break down the 6-step, and then I'll show you how you can put this into practice into your own life by using my 2024 goals at the end of this video. So stay with me. If you're new here, my name is Robie. I am a nurse and I'm also a clinical professor based here in New Jersey. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and help my channel. I want to do something a little bit different than what I normally do. You see me, I talk about nursing, sharing travels, but the end of it all, it always comes down to this. What is your mind state? What is your intentionality for the year? Your goals, your aspirations in the world? And if you can just change this one thing, I think you will see amazing things happen for you as we're starting up the year with goals, and we have this opportunity to reflect on what happened and prepare for the future. And I think you're gonna love this video. Let me know in the comments below where the person you were talking to has the same mindset of feeling prosperous, energized, and positive emotional state of mind and well-being. A lot can happen to you if you are open for possibilities and opportunities, and this is the good time that we reinvent ourselves and start successfully for the new year. Research says there's 2 philosophies that will sustain you to achieve your goals. Number 1 is behavioral goals. It's the actions that you need to take to reach your goals. Number 2, learning goals. It's the knowledge and skills you need to achieve your outcome goals. So this tried and tested framework is a solid structure based on psychological and organizational research, aiming to maximize the likelihood of success. I took some time reading and summarizing what I've learned and sharing it with you. So without further ado, let's start. The first step is meaningful and specific goals. Research have shown that those who have clear and specific goals increases the likelihood of success. So instead of vague goal like I want to be healthier, a clear goal such as I will exercise for 30 minutes 4 times a day provides a specific goal to work towards. If you can visualize your goal and have a clear understanding of why your goal is necessary, you are more likely to achieve it. There is this popular tool, the Wheel of Life. This tool helps assess and balance various areas of our lives such as career, family, relationships, personal growth, and finance, and you can add more. This tool typically involves visualizing your life as a wheel. You can then rate a level of satisfaction in its area, which helps identify potential areas for improvement and goal setting. So for example, my assessment on the health area in the Wheel of Life, there's a low level of satisfaction because my cholesterol level is high. So the way I'm going to set up my specific, clear, and meaningful goals is to exercise daily, 10 minutes a day, and improve my eating habits. And similarly, if your assessment highlights a need for career growth, for example, you want to finish your nursing degree, you may set a goal of acquiring an additional skill in nursing or further studies. And when you use this tool, that your goals are well-rounded and meaningful across different aspects of our lives. In a world where right direction can alter destinies, our journeys lies between change and acceptance. Envision that every goal is a compass, guiding us through our life's path. But the question is, how do we navigate this path effectively if the goal we set is not meaningful, is not achievable, and doesn't align in our values? Balance in goal setting lies between embracing the journey and accepting for change. It's a yin-yang essence, embracing your present self while aiming for growth. Like, I focus on the moment, yet regularly update goals when needed for direction. And this process is drawn from experts' insights, shaping a holistic approach to goal setting. If you're interested in the original source, I'll link the articles below and check the description for sources. Now, the second step framework is connecting your goals to your passions. You may set challenging goals, but if it's connected to your passion, you will be able to stretch out your personal commitment. And most of the time, goals that are too easy do not provide enough motivation, while goals that are too difficult can lead to frustration. The concept of stretch goals suggests that setting challenging yet attainable objectives can lead to increased performance and commitment. Linking your goals to your passion is the key to sustain motivation. So to infuse excitement into your goal pursuit, imagine it as an exciting adventure embarking on a thrilling mission while visualizing your untapped potential. Embrace the journey of transformation, making each step a thrilling stride towards your personal fulfillment and triumph. There's 3 principles embedded: focus consolidation. This involves resisting the urge to set an excessive number of goals. Overloading our minds with too many aspirations leads to overwhelm. It hampers effective tracking and attainment. While it's fine to harbor multiple goals, identifying the most important one becomes vital. Our life can be very demanding and it needs compromise, and prioritization becomes the anchor in safeguarding our crucial goals. Ideally, honing in on 3 or fewer goals ensures dedicated attention and time. For me, 3 priorities for this year's goals is health, personal development, that includes professional development and career, and finance. And by focusing on these 3 priorities and knowing that I will be able to allocate my time, effort, and the likelihood of achieving success in those 3 goals. So what would be your 3 goals for this year? Share on the comments below so we can share our goals together. Then the third step is creating a plan of action. Developing a clear plan is essential to goal attainment. Research has shown that implementation intentions, it involves this principle of goal specificity. Having precise action steps and implementation intentions. It is about defining success and understanding what accomplishing your goal truly entails. For instance, setting specific fitness goals means outlining your steps, like exercising 10 minutes daily and walking for 30 minutes twice a week, like Tuesday and Thursday. It's about being specific with your steps, tracking your progress through a fitness app or keeping a journal, and the best recommendation is having an accountability partner. So with clear definition of actions, your behavioral goals, the actions that you need to take, that goal leads towards a well-defined and desired outcome. And I will show you my template, my Notion template in writing down your goals. So stay with me because you're gonna like it. So let's go to the 4th step. Regularly monitoring your progress is vital for staying on track and making necessary adjustments. And let me tell you, don't be hard on yourself. When establishing goals, practice self-compassion. Science reveals that excessive self-criticism impedes progress. Being rigid on yourself diminishes motivation and resilience. Self-compassion fosters a positive mindset. Embracing setbacks with kindness cultivates a growth-oriented perspective. Let's go to the 5th step. flexibility. It is important to remain flexible and adapt to changing circumstances. Sometimes external factors may require a revision of our original plans. Know that with new priorities, we can shift our goals over time. And with this, I'd like to say to be kind to yourself. Try not to beat yourself up if you are unable to maintain or achieve your goal. Just bear in mind that there are so many other contextual factors and lifestyle circumstances that can change. Now let's go for a walkthrough in my goal setting for 2024. And I block my little goals down the left hand side here, and actually I have a fair few goals this year and I've numbered them because the first goal is to take care of my health and well-being, which is a priority goal, which has lots of sub-goals underneath it and like habits underneath it that are like minor goals. So I would just number them 1, 2, and the rest. So let's take an example of me reading a book. So using the SMART goals and with the 6 evidence-based framework here, being specific, I will read 1 book per month. Measurable for the M, I will track my progress by making a list and marking off each chapter once I complete reading the book. For A, which is achievable, I will set aside at least 30 minutes to an hour dedicated to reading, but also depending on how many chapters I have in that book. For R, which is relevant, this goal is relevant to my personal and professional development and also expanding my knowledge. Nurses are lifelong learners. And also because I'm a nurse leader, I have to grow myself in order to grow our team. Then T, which is time bound, I will complete each book at the end of the month. This will make it easier to stick to my goals, and also considering other schedules and commitments when setting aside time for reading. I could adjust depending on my goal on that specific day that will still fit on my goal setting and also my life's circumstances. I'll share my goal setting template, the link down below. It is a powerful process in writing down your goals. Let me know when you're able to use that and share your goals in the comments below because I love to read them. It's a Notion template and it's easy to use. Just click the link below. And here we go on the last step. Celebrate your achievements. Recognizing your progress and celebrating your milestone can boost your confidence, leading to continued success. I hope this comprehensive approach provides a clear foundation for helping out your goals. This framework isn't just a theory, it's my compass for 2024. It is a system built on evidence and experience. These mental tools have been super helpful in setting me up. Actually achieve the goals I set myself. It's about health, learning, and nurturing aspirations. I hope this helps you out too, and let's grow in 2024. Ultimately, whatever your aspirations in life and big goals to achieve, it all boils down to have your clear and meaningful goals aligned to your passions and values on what you want to become. And when you look at your environment in a positive state of abundance, prosperity, generosity, everything will change. You feel good and you see the positive lens in believing in yourself and believing that you can certainly achieve your goals. So if you're ready to change your life, start successfully in 2024, embrace the 6-step framework, share your goals in the comments below, and let's grow together in 2024. In closing, remember to take care of yourself. The journey is the destination. Let's walk this path together and shape our future one intentional goal at a time. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining in some kind of way, and please share this to your friends and family. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're a nurse needing more motivation, want to be more inspired, check this video next. You're gonna like it.